Have you ever wondered if those tiny cents rounded up from your morning coffee could actually turn into a six-figure nest egg? When I first opened Acorns, I was skeptical. I thought it was just a spare change app that wouldn't move the needle for my future. But after using it for a few years, I realized the secret to growing your money long-term isn't just about the roundups, it's about the habits you build around them. The first and most impactful habit I adopted was switching my portfolio to aggressive. By default, many apps start you off conservatively, but if you're looking at a 10, 20, or 30-year horizon, you need your money in stocks, not bonds. On the aggressive setting, Acorns puts 100% of your money into diversified ETFs like the S&P 500. This is how you capture the market's historical 10% average annual return. Next, I stopped relying solely on roundups and started a daily recurring investment. Even just $5 a day makes a massive difference. Why daily? Because it uses dollar cost averaging to its full potential. When the market is down, my $5 buys more shares. When it's up, I'm still building the habit. It's a set it and forget it strategy that removes the emotion of trying to time the market. I also turned on the roundup multiplier. If you set it to 2x or 3x, that 50 cents from your lunch becomes $1 or $1.50. You barely notice it leaving your checking account, but it accelerates your portfolio growth significantly over time. Finally, the hardest habit, stop checking the app. I used to look at my balance every morning, and when the market dipped, I felt the urge to withdraw. Now, I treat it like a black hole. Money goes in, but it doesn't come out. Long-term wealth on Acorns isn't built in the days the green bars go up. It's built by staying consistent during the months the red bars stay down. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.